Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a possible future spoiler for BoxyCharm. Now I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. But before we get started guys, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. And if you would, take the time to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and that bell. That way you're notified every video I upload. Alright guys, so let's read the first comment on my last video, which was my Ipsy mystery bags are here. So congratulations, Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes says, thanks for the updates. Love you, girl. Well, Bright Eyes, thank you so much. That just warms my heart. I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, guys, if you want to get a shout out, leave a comment on this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So again, I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. Hank and Henry tagged BoxyCharm in a picture. And it shows these 2 beauty sponges. It shows a small one and a regular size one. That small one's like for concealer. The regular one you'd use for your foundation and everything else. So I wonder if this is going to be a future spoiler, like in a future box. I mean, comment below what do y'all think about it. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. But as soon as they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Chrissy Osborne. Chrissy says, I didn't know about this. Thanks for the info. Well, you're so welcome, Chrissy. I love doing these videos for y'all, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, if y'all want a shout out, leave a comment on this here video. And guys, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Double check that for me, because YouTube is taking all my subscribers, my views, my likes, everything. If they're trying to ruin my life, that's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that for me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then what I need you to do is rate the video, but you only got one option, y'all. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more thing, one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments down there saying I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it, y'all. That's all I got for you. Until next time. But I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.